Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to this comparison video. So both WeMod and Plitch are popular cheat platforms for video games, offering trainers and mods to enhance gaming experiences. Here's a comparison of two of them to help you decide which one's better. So let us start with the user experience and interface. So WeMod features a sleek and modern interface, making it easy for users to access and activate cheats. The platform is known for being user-friendly with a large library of games available for modding. Plitch offers a clean interface, but it may feel slightly less polished than WeMod. While the platform is still intuitive, the experience can vary depending on the game you're playing. After that game library and support, WeMod provides access to hundreds of games, from AAA titles to smaller indie games. It offers cheats for many popular games and updates them frequently. Plitch also supports a wide range of games, including many popular titles. However, its library may not be as extensive as WeMod's. Plitch tends to focus on providing high-quality cheats for fewer games. After that, customization and cheat features. Right, so WeMod provides a variety of cheat features, including unlimited health, ammo, and resource cheats, as well as real-time cheat activation system. Plitch, known for its reliable and consistent cheats, which tends to be more tailored for specific games. The platform also provides save game manipulation along with other customization features. Now we have pricing. WeMod offers a free version with access to basic cheats and a pro version for a monthly subscription. The pro version unlocks all cheats, fast updates, and priority support. Plitch also offers a free version, but its premium service comes with a higher subscription price than WeMod. Plitch's subscription grants access to a broader range of cheats and advanced features. Now, compatibility and platform support. So WeMod works on Windows and offers cross-platform syncing for users to manage cheats across devices. Plitch primarily designed for Windows, but also offers Mac support through its beta program. And now, guys, basically the choice will be this. For casual users, WeMod is the better option. For more dedicated modders and players, Plitch offers deeper, game-specific modding tools. Guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, press like. Also write down in the comments which tool you think is best. And I will see you in the next one.